I just got my very first book from Amazon. It is a coloring book. It looks clean, professional, and honestly world class. I even colored one page to test it, and the experience was amazing. Now, here is the surprising part. I spent almost zero upfront to publish it, and I had zero prior experience. Let's take it further. Even if nobody buys your book yet, you can still publish a world-class novel you have been drafting in your free time. A research report you want to share with your friend. Or an autobiography, a memory about your life. And hold a real copy in your hands, without spending a dime up front. Yes, you will pay if you order a copy for yourself. But the entire publishing process, zero cost. Would you try it? Most people think publishing is only for experts with connections, people with agents, MFA degrees, or deep pockets.
Yes!
But I'm proof that is not true. I have no drawing skills, just the ability to appreciate good art. Yet, I published 6 coloring books in under 2 months. Within a simple system, I can now publish 1 or more books every week. We have all become independent publishers. Today, I will show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Let's dive in. Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry. As you may notice, I use Amazon KDP, Kindle Directly Publishing, for all my books. On KDP, you keep control of your rights, pricing, and content, while Amazon handles printing and global distribution. I will walk you through my zero-cost journey, from knowing nothing to shipping 6 books, what worked, what didn't, and how you can repeat it this week. Why choose KDP? KDP is perfect for beginners. Compared to traditional publishing, it is a zero-cost workflow. No big budgets or connections needed. Print on demand eliminates inventory risk. One upload reaches a global market. No special skills required. Also, no agent needed. No upfront print run. And POD means books are printed only after purchase. Before you publish, your cost can be zero. Even if early sales are low, you can still produce a professional, world-class book you are proud to hold. Your one upload appears across multiple Amazon marketplaces. KDP supports novels, research, and autobiographies in ebook and printing formats. You set the price. Royalties come after Amazon's print cost for paperbacks. You just need to sign up for Amazon and get an account. Sign up is straightforward. Verify identity and bank details. Complete the text form. No fees needed. KDP is ideal for rapid testing and learning with full creative control. Traditional publishing is deep channels but high barriers and long timelines. For first-time authors, KDP removes "I can't" barrier. Of course, KDP also needs some setup, such as topic selection and validation, content and layout, cover design, metadata and pricing, preview and publish. But this is a repeatable loop. Every step can be done with free tools. And the best part is, many things are one-time, like account sign up, while the rest are repeatable. Now let's start with account sign up. Account essentials: verify your ID, link your bank correctly, complete a text interview, guided by KDP. One-time setup, then you are ready. After that, we got into the real book work. Choose an authentic theme. For validation, skim bestsellers. Note cover styles and look for unmet needs in reviews. Build a keyword list for how readers describe problems and outcomes. For these details, I will upload another video with a complete walkthrough. You just need to start with a content idea. Then work with AI tools like ChatGPT It will guide you step by step. Following this process, you can publish your book like a coloring book within 1 week. I can confirm this because I have published 6 coloring books in 2 months, and my speed keeps improving. If I want, I can publish a book within a week on almost any topic. So, what are you waiting for? Go create an Amazon account if you don't have one yet. The next tutorial will cover everything you need to publish a book. For example, a coloring book on Amazon. If this helped you a little, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.